Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Marvel's Spider-Man on your phone. This method allows you to stream the full console experience directly to your mobile device, transforming your phone into a portable PlayStation screen. You will need your PlayStation console, the game, and a reliable internet connection. Get ready to swing through New York City from the palm of your hand, enjoying every detail of the adventure on the go. To begin, make sure your PlayStation console, either a PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, is powered on or in rest mode. Next, download the official PlayStation Remote Play application from your phone's App Store. It is completely free. For the initial setup, it is crucial that both your phone and your PlayStation console are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This helps the application discover and pair with your console seamlessly. Once the app is installed, launch it and sign in using your PlayStation Network account credentials. The application will then search for and display your PlayStation console. Simply select it from the list. For the best gameplay experience, we highly recommend pairing a compatible PlayStation controller, such as a DualShock 4 or DualSense, to your phone via Bluetooth. This provides precise control, just like playing on your television. For the smoothest streaming, always use a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection, ideally a 5 GHz network. This minimizes latency and ensures crisp visuals. Also, keep your phone's battery charged or connected to a power source, as streaming can consume significant power. Within the Remote Play application settings, you can adjust the video quality to balance between visual fidelity and connection stability, ensuring an enjoyable and uninterrupted Spider-Man adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.